Are you tired of dealing with joint pain and arthritis? Do you want a natural solution that can help ease your discomfort? Well, you're in luck, because at Aromatherapy Clinic, we have a solution for you. Our joint blend is a specially formulated essential oil blend designed to help reduce inflammation, soothe sore muscles, and improve joint mobility. Simply apply a few drops of our joint blend onto the affected area and gently massage it in. The therapeutic properties of our essential oils will quickly absorb into your skin, providing relief from joint pain. Our joint blend is made with only the finest quality pure essential oils and is free from any synthetic fragrances or harmful additives. So what are you waiting for? Visit aromatherapyclinic.com to get your hands on Aromatherapy Clinic's a joint blend and begin experiencing the benefits today.